My name is Rosalind Allen, and I'm the Microverse Professor of Theoretical Microbial Ecology here at the University of Jena. I moved to Jena in 2021, coming from Edinburgh, and I'm really excited to be setting up my group within the Microverse cluster. Our group's research uses a combination of mathematical modelling and microbiological experiments to try to understand firstly how antibiotics work in the context of real infections, and secondly, within the Microverse cluster we're now developing a new research direction about understanding microbial interactions. I was really excited to come to Jena because of the possibility of building new collaborations with colleagues within the Microverse cluster. I'm really excited about the huge diversity of different science that's happening within the Microverse cluster, which is excellent for us as mathematical modelers because we can build models for so many different systems. And I'm also excited to develop my group within the collaborative atmosphere that exists here in Jena. So one of the things that we're trying to do in our group is to use mathematical modelling to understand better how antibiotics work in the context of real infections. For example, we just started a new project with tuberculosis, where we try to build mathematical models for the action of antibiotics on tuberculosis infections. And that's really important because tuberculosis is actually the biggest killer in terms of infectious diseases in the world these days. It kills 1.5 million people globally. But there's a disconnect between the kind of information that clinicians need in order to improve their diagnoses and improve their treatment plans in general, not just for tuberculosis, but for bacterial infections, and the kind of fundamental science that's done in the lab. And we hope that using mathematical modelling to model how infections work in the context of a real human body, for example, we can bridge this disconnect and improve the treatment of antibiotics, which of course is really important also in the light of the antibiotic resistance crisis, which is threatening global health these days.